Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to make the popular Nigerian melon soup. So sit back and enjoy this amazing recipe. So these are the ingredients I will be needing for my egusi soup, melon soup. A cup of egusi, can you see melon? Okay, half cup of crayfish. I will need to blend this with my pepper actually. Also half cup of this crayfish. Also my cow skin is more than half cup, like you can just use like 1 cup. This is my chicken that I will be using. I have dry fish, catfish, and I have the normal panla already fried one. So I will be using habanero pepper, just 5 pieces, and onion. This is locust bean. This locust bean is actually optional, especially people that are not Yoruba people. They may feel like, oh, I don't like the taste. But as for the Yorubas, it actually adds aroma to our soup. So this is my salt and my bullion cube, my seasoning. And lastly, I'll be using this vegetable. I've already cut and sliced it. So sit back and enjoy how I'll be preparing this amazing soup. I'm sorry I forgot to add this. I'll be using half tablespoon of dry pepper. There is this aroma that comes out of this when you add it to your egusi soup. So I'll be using just half tablespoon. So I've blended my crayfish and pepper together. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add my onions to the melon. I'll add my melon and onions together and then add little water. Ensure you add little water at a time so that your melon does not become watery. You may be asking why I did not dice my onions. Actually, I love seeing the onions in my melon, especially when frying. So now that I've mixed my melon, I will set it aside. This is actually the palm oil that I will be using for this. This palm oil is equivalent to half cup of palm oil because I don't really like too much oily, too much oil in egusi. Like I don't like oily egusi soup. So what I'm doing now is to boil my cow skin and chicken. So now that my palm oil is kind of oil, the first thing I will be adding is my locust bean. I will fry this for a few minutes. So after frying it for a few minutes, I will then add my melon. Don't forget I've added onions to my melon. The frying of melon will take about 2 minutes. So the first thing I will be adding to my pot is the pepper, which I've done. After which I will put little palm oil. I will scoop it out from the melon that I fried. I will allow this to come to boiling, like it will boil for like 2 minutes. But this has come to boiling. The next thing I will be adding is, after the chicken stock, my bouillon cube, the remaining one. So I will then add all my chicken, cow skin. So now that my stew is done, the next thing I will be adding is my vegetable. Now that I've added my vegetable, lastly I will now be adding my melon. And lastly I will add my half tablespoon of dry pepper.
one of my favorite songs. Says Beyond Me